To remove negative items from your credit report, it is essential to have an accurate summary of your financial history. Negative items, such as late payments or defaults, can appear on your credit report and negatively affect your score. If you want to remove these items, you must dispute them, which can be done online, via phone, or via mail. Disputing credit items is free and does not directly impact your credit score. However, once the dispute process is completed, changes to your credit report may lead to changes in your overall score. For instance, if erroneously reported late payments are deleted, your credit score may improve. It is crucial to note that accurate negative items cannot be removed, and they will stay on your record for around 7 years. To prevent negative items from appearing on your credit report, make timely payments and avoid defaults, as this will help lenders see you as a trustworthy potential borrower in the future. By disputing incorrect negative items and maintaining good financial habits, you can work towards improving your credit score.